In 1988, the first Friday of every December was set aside by government as Farmers' Day to honor hard-working farmers who excelled in agriculture. Certificates and prizes ranging from houses to wheelbarrows were presented to winners each year. Though it is a good practice, concerns have been raised about the neglect of poor farmers. The National Best Farmer is normally given to farmers engaged in large-scale mechanized farming. The municipal chief executive of the Ga Central Assembly, Aristo Aye, who shared similar sentiments, indicated that the assemblies need to assist poor farmers.
From the Assembly's point of view, what we are doing is that we are organizing periodic training for the youth, not people who are rich, but the young boys and girls within the community to also learn something in agriculture. So we are teaching them aquaculture and animal rearing. Because as and when we put more investment into agriculture, Ghana grows, not only in terms of agri, but in terms of export, in terms of provision of raw materials for agro-based industries, and in terms of youth employment.
He said technical assistance would be given to fortunate youth who would take up agriculture in the municipality.
What we do is that we after the training, we support them with some equipment and tools, logistics, and then monitor them, give them technical assistance along the line. So we are not going to leave them to fend for themselves. No, we are going to support them throughout and make sure that at least we bring them up to a certain level.
Aristo Aye called on other municipal chief executives to prioritize agriculture in their municipalities. Edem Jamesi, VAS at One News, Accra.